Good morning, Julie here, your mature makeup artist. And I'm not in the best lighting today because we are traveling. So you know what that's like when you go to a hotel or to a VRBO and you never know what kind of lighting you're going to get. But anyway, hopefully my makeup looks okay. I want to share with you just a quick tip about setting your makeup. And ladies, when you set your makeup, you have staying power all day long. And quick tip, using a blender sponge and some sort of setting spray. I happen to use Seint setting spray. This is a travel bottle, love it. I shake it a couple times. Then in the palm of my hand, I give it 3 spritzes. And then lightly dabbing all over my face, I set my makeup. I make sure I grab in the corner of my eyes. I go over my eyebrows, my forehead, every place. And not only does this set your makeup, but it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. But anyway, setting your makeup. A quick tip, be sure to follow me for more tips and tricks about looking great as a mature woman.